Heidi ho, all you gorgeous people. Well, this is a Finnish 5 Markkaa coin. This is before the sad euro turned up in the world. And that is an icebreaker. Finland's famous for making their icebreakers. I think the States have just ordered 10 of them. There's no one in the world can build ships like Finland, honestly. I should know. I've worked all over the world building the bloody things. Right, what happened in 1980? Well, significant events included the US grain embargo against the USSR. Not much new there, is there? The opening of the Winter Olympics in Lake Placid and the eruption of Mount St. Helens. Additionally, the year marked the beginning of the Iran-Iraq War and the first hip-hop song. Oh my God, hip-hop. Sad. Rapper's Delight reaching the Billboard Top 40. Well, fascinating that is, isn't it, eh? I'll have to write that down so I don't forget it. Right. So, yesterday on the market, this Finnish guy came along, because I've got a tray with Finnish coins and stuff. He wanted a 1980 5 Markkaa coin with the icebreaker. And of course, I've got loads of Finnish coins. So, I'm going to have to use a small. This is a 7/16 punch. Because if I use the 1/2 inch punch, I'm going to lose the date. So I'll use a small punch. Let's just check I've got the right punch for the right. Yep, that's good. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. I'm absolutely doing brilliantly. Mr. Wonderful is on song today. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha and see. Actually, right, let's straighten up the camera a bit, shall we? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Thank you so much. It's very kind of you. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can even send me your own coins if you want. I've got loads of coins. You can contact me. Where's my hammer? You can contact me at yourfingermyring@proton.me, or you can go to my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there and stuff you can check out. I can make them any size. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. And there's a contact link there as well. Contact me, it says. Right. Steve has still got the Finland and the date, which is what he wanted. Let's dry it off and get our little doming block out, which I love to use. No, I don't mind using it. Right, so he's going to want this sunny side up on the ring, so that's going to go face down. What we got, that's quite a small one. So we'll now go over to Big Red and give it a bit of the old 1-2. So we now want a 17-degree folding die. Is this one going to do it? Yeah, that will do it. We want a bit of lube-loo. You can't beat a good bit of the old lube. Come on, behave yourselves. Right. You're the ones with the sick mind, not me. I'm a good boy. Right. We go over to Big Red again. And we'll finish off the folding. Right. 1, 2. That's good. Now we just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and free from any cracks or splits forming, or, you know, something growing in there. Looking a bit thin here and there. I'll give it a bit more. That's a bit better. Right, let's grab a new piece of kitchen roll. I go through so much kitchen roll. The girls in the shop must wonder what's going on. Hey, that bloke's in there again buying more kitchen roll. Right. This is Spike, the ring stretcher, and he stretches your ring. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. You don't lose the detail. If you didn't do that, you'd just have a smooth inner ring. Oh, come on. I've been doing this for a year now, well, about a year, and I still laugh. Now, am I the sick one, or what? You gotta laugh, don't you? There's too much sadness in the world, you know. If you don't laugh, you bloody end up crying. Right. That ain't looking too bad, but it's getting a bit work hardened, so we'll give it a bit more love with Bernie. Here it is. I mean, I find the funny side of everything. I remember when my girlfriend's gran died. She was a lovely old lady. She didn't speak any English, I didn't speak any Finnish, but we got on, you know. And she used to make nice cakes, and she used to make these sort of doilies and stuff. Well, she died. Well, she had a good innings, you know. And they asked me to be one of the pallbearers, like carry the coffin. And it was winter, you know, and the hole was bloody deep, like really, really deep. And, you know, I had the old suit on that I've had for years. And we started, you know, talking, well, you know, the vicar was saying all this stuff, and I'm looking down this hole. And then I started thinking of that comedy series called Absolutely Fabulous, where Patsy Stone falls down a grave, and I just started laughing because I was thinking of me falling down this hole. I mean, I weren't being disrespectful, but it just tickled me, like, you know. I mean, I wasn't bursting out like, you know, ha ha ha, but I was certainly grinning. God knows what people thought. My girlfriend's got the same sense of humour as me. She thought it was funny. My bloody camera, my phone camera, keeps popping up. Would you like to have this app? No, I don't want a bloody app. Bugger off. Of course, it stops filming. No, thank you. I don't want any bloody apps. Right. So my girlfriend's now got a little bit of stuff to do with this video because it turned itself off, but she doesn't mind. If she didn't do what she did, I wouldn't be doing any of these videos, because I don't know how to do all that stuff, you know. I'm still using Morse code and the way technology has progressed, though, it's gone crazy, isn't it? App for this, app for that. Now, there's no bow in that now. It's just cone shaped, which is good. I'll give it a bit more. But he's got quite big fingers, like me. And not quite as big as me. That should do. Right, let us break out Christy burr, and there's a little lip inside there. There we go. We've got to cut that out. That's good. That lip is now gone. So now we want to go to the bottom end of the spike, and we want to find, these are reduction dies. This is what makes the ring smaller. Right, there's my other one. We shall see. Probably isn't. Yes, it is. Right. These are a little bit smaller. Like a bit of Looby-Loo. Excuse me. How's that looking? I think I went a bit too far. So you just turn it over. This is how I can make the ring smaller. Clever stuff, isn't it? How's that looking? Well, by the eye, that looks perfect. By this camera, oh, I don't know though, yeah. You get some false stuff with these bloody lenses on these cameras. Well, it's like a camera's a bloody phone, isn't it? Makes you laugh how they sell phones nowadays. They don't say anything about the phone, it's all about what it can do. Right, let's break out Dave, the Dremel. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. Right. See, you've got the Finland, the date. That's why I use a kitchen roll. There's not a lot of detail on the inside of these, but it's still there, what was there. And you've got the old Republic of Finland. So, I will polish it up. But if you like the Edwin look, I can always run over it again with Kate. Lid goes back on again. Hey, I'm doing well, aren't I? Right, let's make it beautiful, shall we? Ouch. Yeah, so thank you to my latest subscribers. Thank you for hitting the like button and stuff like that. If you're new to the channel, and you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free. It's no obligation. And yeah, I'll be your bestest. It costs you nothing. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video, somewhere, I don't know, somewhere there. You hit that, stuff happens. And if you're looking for a handmade ring, I'll have to make you one. Or you can go to my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size up or down for you. There's other stuff in there besides rings, so check it out. If you want to. If you don't want to, then happy days, no problem. In the shop, there's a place there that you can contact me. It says, contact me. Hit that and send me an email or tell me I'm an idiot or whatever you want to tell me. Tell me something. I love this green. This is the same colour as my eyes. Right. How's it looking? Not too shabby. Oh, you wanted a size 11. I've got to adjust it slightly, haven't I? Stupid boy. So I'll just nip over to spike again. That should do it, I think. Just over 11. So we go back to this baby. Did I do anything then or not? Yeah, size 11. Should have done it first, shouldn't I? Right. There we go. One size 11 Finnish 5 Markkaa coin ring. Fits that finger perfectly. Thank you all so much for your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. I really do appreciate it. And God willing, if it all's still here, I will see you in the next one. So bye bye.